Hello friends, welcome to Rainbow Media. In this week's broadcast, we will be viewing weekly horoscope for the week of August 23rd to August 29th. For Aries, during this week at workplace, you need to control your anger because of presence of Saturn, you may be cheated by a colleague and you may fight with them. You should be careful not to use any vulgar language and control your feelings. Businessmen who had made some deals in past may get some benefit out of it. This week, because of conjunction of Sun, Mars and Mercury in 5th house, any auspicious event in the relatives house may get performed. But things may not get as planned, and it may fear that people from whom you have expecting some kind of support in career may deceive you. So from the beginning you will need to careful to keep the things with yourself and keep control of your feelings and expectations. Just as laying a strong foundation is very important to build a strong house, in the same way it is equally important to have a good equation and good education for a better future. However, you will be seen moving in a completely different direction this week. For any remedy, you may apply Hanumanji's tilak on your forehead and feed bananas to monkeys. For Taurus, this week, according to health horoscope, the week also will be better in terms of health. However, during this time, you have to pay special attention to some things such as exercises and do yoga when you have time, or do walk regularly 30 minutes in a day. For this sign, you need to live in the present. But this week, due to presence of Rahu in your zodiac sign and because of conjunction of Sun, Mars and Mercury, you have to control your habit of making decisions within a day or two. In such a situation, it would be better to avoid spending extra time and money on your entertainment. This week, your ability to accomplish work will increase and you might make a big decision to expand your business activity in a creative manner. For some remedy, you may donate white cloth and worship Ishta Devi. For Gemini, this week, you may be able to get rid of problems associated with face and throats. However, you are not advised to consume cold water. You can consume a lot of water to avoid any kind of health related issues. Your financial life is going to be good throughout this week. Specifically with the influence of planet during this time, you will get many opportunities to earn money. At the same time, your honor and respect will also increase. Talking about family life, this week also is very good for your zodiac sign. This week will be one of those weeks when you will not have a shortage of work to advance in your career, and you will utilize all these opportunities to ensure that you move in the right direction. For any remedies, you can donate green bangles to unmarried girls. For Cancer, friends, your health will be in your hands this week. So, to improve your mental state during this time, practice meditation and yoga. This time will bring favorable result for you if you participate in physical activities. This week, due to full aspects of retrograde Saturn on your zodiac sign, you have to stop yourself from spending money on useless things and activities. This week, your younger sibling can have a lot of success in all walks of their life. This week, you will not feel like working in office. It will be difficult to concentrate in your work. So, keep your mind focused and you can resort to yoga and meditation. As a remedy, you can use or pray to Lord Shiva and offer sugarcane juice. For Leo, friend, this week, your poor health of your spouse will be the main cause of worry in your family. Because of this, your mind will remain distracted and you can appear anxious to go home in your workplace. If you are thinking of making an investment related to your home, this week is a good time for that, because this investment will be beneficial for you and you may get good return on your investment. This week you may get respect in your workplace. Despite of lot of work you will involve with this week, you can witness an amazing energy inside you. In spite of all this, you will be very successful in all areas of your life. For remedy this week, you can give away around 1 kg of wheat in flowing water. For Vigro this week, it will provide a very good result on health front. Apart from mild problems, you will overcome all the problems from all walk of your life. If a large part of your money has been stuck for a long time, then it may come back. Chances are that advice of a household member will help you to earn extra money this week, which will please your mind. Also, you will be seen spending openly on different luxurious items. A student of this zodiac sign will have to do a lot of hard work to achieve success. So you should be taking advantage of the extra time and do your hard work. For this week, you can apply Kesar Tilak on your forehead. For Libra this week, friend, your health will be in your hand. So you need to improve your mental health this week. Friends, you should involve yourself with yoga and meditation and eat healthy food all the time. It will be better if you take the advices of your elders from your family members. In this time period, your enemies will remain active throughout the week and they may conspire against you. This week, you are incapable of moving ahead in your career. So, you should be very cautious with your day-to-day task. Always ensure that you are checking and rechecking all the things that you are forwarding to your seniors. As a remedy, you can donate fried items to poor on Saturdays. For the Scorpio, this week, negative thoughts will dominate your mind. All the negative thoughts, it will dominate your mind. Because of this, you will maintain a negative perspective of everything around you. As a result, you can deprive yourself of many good and profitable opportunities. Therefore, you should improve your nature and try to enjoy good things in the life. You are advised to put your best effort, your hard effort to achieve good results in your life. Due to some challenges at home, you may have conflict this week with people. This will bring decline in your respect in your work area. Friends, this week you can go abroad in the context of education. Also in studies, you should work hard and ensure that you get best results. For remedy, you should mop the house floor with salt water and feed poor Brahmins. For Sagittarius this week, you will get bored with your daily routine and your mind, you may think of different things that you want to carry out this week. In this kind of situation, you are advised to take part in some activities like sports or any physical activities and keep yourself engaged. Otherwise, you may get into a lot of trouble because of fluctuating mind. You may also plan to visit religious places during this week. If you do business in partnership this week, you will feel that your partner is not keeping their promises. Because of this, you may remain stressed and upset. This week, because of gods of wisdom will work towards providing the fruit of hard labor of your past and you will get success in your work. For remedy, you can recite the Bij mantras of Jupiter and take bath with turmeric water. For Capricorn friends, because of conjunction of Sun and Mars in 8th house. Elderly native of this zodiac who have been troubled by joint pains because of back pains, their health will improve. And these situations, they should keep on doing their yoga and exercises regularly, and they should take their medications also. This week it will be beneficial for buying things, and monetary values will also increase. You may get success in your work, in your daily work area. The presence of Saturn in your sign this week will bring some fun moments, experimenting with new dishes at home, and at the same time, after a long wait, you will get opportunity to spend time with your whole family. This week you will successfully understand the topics in which you are facing difficulty last time. So should keep on hard work and attain success in your education. Friends, for Aquarius, your health is expected to be very good this week. During this time, you will not like to mingle with those who cause stress in your mind, and because of this, you will be in a very better mental shape. You will be able to keep your money safe and will not spend in useless items. This week, your opponent can plan and plot against you. Therefore, you need to work while keeping your eyes and ear open in every situation. Keep yourself alert. As a remedy, you can light sesame oil lamp in front of Shanidev temple on Saturdays. For Pisces friend, this week you should avoid consuming any kind of alcohol and other substances or cigarettes, because there are chances that it will harm your health and add to your stress. Due to this, you may not perform well in your work areas, because of it is possible that your independent decision can create some trouble in your family member's life. The ruling lord of 10th house Jupiter is sitting in a retrograde position in the house of Saturn, due to which it is possible that you will be given new targets and goals to achieve. So you should keep working hard. As a remedy, friends, you should keep yellow handkerchief in your pocket. Friends, now after going through all these horoscope for this week, if you are having any questions, you can comment and like our videos and subscribe to our channel.